Welcome to the world of BeepCoin and the concept of liquidity. Today we'll dive into how this new cryptocurrency operates and why liquidity is so important for its success. Steroid4 Blockchain, with its coin, the BeepCoin, is now live on decentralized exchanges like Pancake Swap. So this immediately asks the question, how do I turn my BeepCoin into fiat currency or swap it to another cryptocurrency? The answer is liquidity. To explain liquidity, here are two examples. First, imagine you have 2 kilograms of gold. That's great. However, you live in a village in the middle of a desert and nobody wants your gold. That means you have zero liquidity. Then a jeweler opens a store in your village and you take your gold there to sell, but they only want to buy $500 worth, say 7 grams. So you sell $500 for 7 grams. Now, you have two options. You can persuade the local shops to accept gold for their goods and services, or you can wait for another jeweler to open in the village. If you mentally replace the gold with your BeepCoin, you will understand liquidity and comprehend that more people are needed to buy the BeepCoin and more shops are required to accept it. For the second example, imagine you are on centralized crypto exchanges buying Bitcoin with your credit card. You want Bitcoin for pounds, but to be able to satisfy your demand, somebody else around the world has to want the opposite transaction. They want to sell their Bitcoin for pounds and hence create liquidity. Bitcoin today is so much in demand that we take it for granted that there will be liquidity, yet this still took time to build up. So let's dive into building liquidity for BeepCoin. You see, liquidity is crucial for any cryptocurrency because it ensures that users can buy or sell the coin without causing significant price changes. First, we need to list BeepCoin on multiple exchanges. This increases the coin's visibility and accessibility. The more exchanges BeepCoin is listed on, the more potential buyers and sellers it can attract. Next, we should consider creating liquidity pools. These pools allow users to deposit their BeepCoin and another cryptocurrency like Ethereum into a smart contract. In return, they earn a portion of the transaction fees generated by the pool. Another strategy is to incentivize market makers. These are individuals or entities that provide liquidity by placing buy and sell orders on exchanges. By offering rewards or rebates, we can encourage more market makers to trade BeepCoin, thereby increasing its liquidity. Finally, it's important to engage the community. A strong, active community can drive demand for BeepCoin, leading to higher liquidity. This can be achieved through social media campaigns, community events, and partnerships with influencers. So, to sum it up, building liquidity for BeepCoin involves listing it on multiple exchanges, creating liquidity pools, incentivizing market makers, and engaging the community. By following these steps, we can ensure that BeepCoin remains a viable and attractive option for investors and users alike. The BeepCoin using the Steroid blockchain holds many advantages over Bitcoin and fiat currencies, which is why it is so important. However, as good as it is, the liquidity needs to be built up. This means that we all need to start promoting the purchase of BeepCoin to get the velocity of liquidity moving. Beep Xtra has done its part. It has brought to the world a completely independent financial platform. Now the ball's in your court to start promoting it. The world asks for a completely independent coin that works in the retail world. You've got it, so it's over to you now to make it happen. You've got the tools, you've got the platform, and now it's time to take action. Dive into the resources available to you and let's build this community together. Just buying $10 worth helps. So why not give it a go and share this with your friends and colleagues? To get started, there are other videos to show you how, with links below.